Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today's move, the move of the day, is not really a move. It is spontaneous Qigong. I call it unwinding and letting your energy flow. We hold on to a lot of things in our body. We are braced. We are ready for action. That lives in our muscles as tension. We store emotions. We store trauma. We are wound up tight like springs. And we need some way to unwind and let this tension go. Spontaneous Qigong is a great way of doing that. This is not a move. This is a skill. This is letting go. This is unwinding. And there may be movements, but we try not to influence those movements. We try to relax and let the tension go. Our structure will absorb some of these movements so that we don't fall down. We have some amount of tension left, but we don't hold on to more than we need to. Everything that we've done helps us get to this point. We have created a sanctuary, a safe place to practice, a safe feeling, and a safe response so that we're not going to get scattered if we are interrupted. We shift our mind, body, and breath, signaling to the nervous system that we are safe, allowing stress to release already into our structure, releasing tension. We insert positive emotional content with our gratitude chain, with our feeling of joy, filling us up and blossoming out with a smile from the heart. We do mindful movement, occupying the mind on one thing, linking our breath to our motion, enjoying this practice of mindful movement. That mindful movement gets things going. We're moving. Gets our circulation going, gets our energy moving, and then we let go. We just let go and we relax. And our body may keep on moving, a little bit or a lot. And how it looks will be different for everybody, and even different for the same person in any different time that they practice. So this is not an exercise to look at or to copy. We need to let go of that. We need to let go of our need to do something right. We need to let go of our inhibitions because this will definitely look silly. This is a stress release exercise and it is very effective. And that is how to explain this. So please practice along with me in a short session. We would normally extend each one of these steps to what feels right. We will compress it a little bit, but we're still trying to get to what feels right, what is good enough to go on to the next step, because each step influences and in some ways makes possible the next. Now these are all skills too, and as you become skillful, you may be able to skip some steps. Or rather, it's not really that you're skipping, you're just so good at them, you're in that zone. You go straight into that flow, naturally, due to repetition, due to prior practice and attainment of the skill. Make sure you're in a safe place. No clutter, nothing dangerous around you. Room to move. Make sure you have some solitude. Maybe inform people what you're going to do is a stress release exercise and that it's okay. Have an agreement with yourself, if you are interrupted, that it is okay. You're not going to get scattered. You're not going to immediately think you have to go do something. You're going to slowly come back and then you're going to handle your business. So we're practicing in a safe place. If we feel safe, we can close our eyes. We can adjust the mind, body, and breath. These interact with each other, so the order doesn't really matter. Let's start with a mind, relaxed and focused mind. Calm, tranquil, long, slow, deep breaths. Adjusting our posture, ergonomic standing position. Our structure lets our whole body relax and be supported. Insert some positive emotional content, a gratitude chain. Enjoying something, like you're breathing. Overflowing with a smile from the heart. And let's start with our last exercise, dancing butterfly. Butterfly dances in front of flowers. A slight forward bend to inhale the fragrance. Inhale. Straighten up, backward bend. The hands go up alongside the head. Exhale. And then we just repeat. Forward, back, inhale, exhale, relax more. With each repetition, relax more and more. Worry less about the form. Don't care about what the arms are doing. Just want to be comfortable. Forward and backward bends. The hands flapping like butterfly wings. Breathing. Enjoy your breathing. We're building up momentum. We're letting stress fly off of us. We're relaxing and softening. And then just let go. And don't do anything else. Don't think of anything else. Just simply let your body move a little bit. Just soften your knees. Soften your waist. Soften your mind and your heart. Let go. And let your body move. It can be a little. It can be more vigorous. Uncomfortable things may come up and you may need to stop, and that's okay. Whenever you need to stop, slowly wind down. Back to your structure. Thinking of lower dantian. Feeling your center of gravity sink. And let everything settle. Then warm up your hands with your eyes still closed. Place your palms over your eyes and enjoy the darkness and stillness more. And then you can blink open your eyes. And you can let more light in by lifting your palms. And you can dry wash your face. And you can stop here. Or maybe you want to rub your ears. Self-applied massage to reintegrate yourself even further, to let things sink in, to increase circulation. Thank you for joining me.